So guys, we've got to talk about the power of anchored text. So I've been researching, this is the project that I did previously, and for these three domains here, I'm just sending nothing but anchor text. Sorry, two are from the root, one is from an internal page and one is from an internal page. I've copied them here so you can see it clearer, but what I want to focus on for this video is to show you the importance of anchor text. So what I'm doing here, this is our token text. So anything in between that token and that token, we've got spin tags inside it, which means every time a project is created, it will randomly choose between this term, and this term, or this term. So that's the anchor text sent to the root of the site that does not have any of those terms on it. So I'll show you the results. So what's the first one? Paddington formal dresses. So search. And there it is on page 1. How many competing? 257 million competing pages. So there it is there for Paddington formal dress. But the link that's ranking, I've never sent a link to that internal page link. I've only ever sent content about Paddington formal dresses to the root via the anchor text. So that's incredibly important. Now that's at the top, that's at the bottom of page 1. To get that to the top of page 1, I can just send some links directly to that internal page URL, and of course it's going to rise. We know that. So what's the other term? Formal dresses year 12. Same thing, it's hit page 1 for a link for an internal page I've never sent a link to. I've only sent the anchor text of that term to the root of that site, and now the internal page is ranking for the term that I used as anchor text pointing to the root only. So that shows you the incredible power of anchor text. My theory is that it's such an easy penalty to pick up by over spamming anchor text. How do I put this? So in the algorithm, it's so easy to detect anchor text spam using our product here. Where is it? And using our token tags, we avoid the spam penalty by rotating the anchor text on the links so frequently that there's no way in the world we can get picked up by the triggers for anchor text that are in the default in Google's algorithm. So by getting around that, we expose how effective anchor text really is, and this is living proof of it. So what's the other one? Formal dresses, Melbourne. Rank number 2, and the internal link, I'll just bring that up so you can see it. Where is it? The internal link is Dresses, Gowns, Melbourne. I've never sent a link to that internal link, to that internal page on that website. So that is ranking purely through the anchor text that I'm sending to the root of the site. Incredible. It's really incredible. What's it, the last term we'll check? Graduation dresses, Melbourne. There it is there. I've never sent a link to that internal page, but it's also indented, but it has brought up, I've created one page on this website. Thank you. I've created one page on this website, and this is it, and it's below the existing page that was on the site. And this is, I've never sent a link to this internal page, but it's ranking above this one purely from the anchor text in the links that we send to this site. This is working way more powerful than I would have ever anticipated. Now, obviously, if we want to get this to the top of page one, we can just send links there to this one. With the anchor text I would use would be variations of graduation dresses in Melbourne. There would be 4 different terms, and I'd rotate them, and that will obviously go to the top of page one easy, considering it's there without a link directly to that internal page.